Hello folks, Samsung has announced the One UI 8 beta program. It is open for select Galaxy phones and the first beta update was released a few minutes ago. The company has announced that the update based on Android 16 will first come in stable form for its next foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is trying to make up for the delays it caused with the One UI 7 update by releasing One UI 8 much earlier. The One UI 8 beta program has been announced for select countries including Germany, South Korea, the UK and the USA. The Android 16 based update will be initially released to the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It could be released to more devices in the future, but Samsung hasn't confirmed it yet. If you live in one of the countries mentioned above and want to beta test the new version of One UI on your eligible device, you can join the program in the Samsung Members app. Samsung also announced some of the new features that are a part of the One UI 8.0 update, and they include improved Galaxy AI, better privacy and security, easier file sharing, and easier access to Auracast. Samsung focused on three main improvements for Galaxy AI: multimodal capabilities, better UX for different device types, and personalized and proactive suggestions. Intelligent multimodality allows you to have natural communication with AI so that it can understand you better. It can better understand what you are looking at or what you are watching. Galaxy AI's user experience now better suits different form factors such as foldable phones, tablets and wearables. One UI 8 also recognizes context to offer personalized and proactive suggestions to support your daily routine. Now Bar and Now Brief deliver even more customized insights and suggestions with One UI 8. Since Now Bar integrates with Android 16's live updates feature in One UI 8, it will support more third-party apps in the future. Samsung is also introducing improved privacy and security of your personal data. Samsung Knox Vault combines a secure processor and secure memory to isolate your sensitive data from the rest of your data, ensuring that no one can physically or remotely access it. One UI 8 lets you choose if you want your data to be processed for AI features on the device to maintain more privacy and security. And One UI 8 is not only about AI though, it also brings more features, including support for joining Bluetooth LE Auracast audio casts using QR code sharing and scanning. Multiple audio devices like the Galaxy Buds 3 and hearing aids can connect to a nearby Auracast stream without the hassle of a manual setup. The Samsung Reminder app has also received an improved design that looks and feels simpler. You can share your complete to-do list with your family and friends with the press of a button. You can even add reminders via just your voice when your hands are full. Quick Share has also been improved as it now features dedicated send and receive tabs, which makes things easier to understand for everyone. Samsung will release the stable One UI 8 update after it is done beta testing it and releasing it 6 beta updates to eligible devices. All the eligible Galaxy phones and tablets will get the stable update before the end of this year. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.